It's approximately 8 p.m. April 30th. I believe it's April 30th. Yeah, it's got to be April 30th. Can't be May 1st, can it? Anyway, I've just made some additions to the pipe dreams, or pipe schemes as I'm thinking of calling it, installation. There's the guitar over on the, well, my right, your left, I guess. My left, your right. We got the I Think, Therefore I Jam t-shirts. Well, one of the t-shirts. And I guess I'm gradually working toward incorporating various elements of my artistic expression into the scene, into the installation. For example, over here, we've got, you can see that, copy of my book, The Bible, Beauty and Terror Reconciled, and that's the front cover. And I'll be adding one of these in to the installation. I'm not sure where yet. Of course, there's my first collection of poems as well, Standing. That's a copy of that. That shall go in somewhere as well. Had an interesting conversation with some Jamaican neighbors of mine about Melchizedek. One of the sisters was, querying, well, really testing me on the whole question, the whole question of Melchizedek. It's interesting conversation we had here at Poetpourri House. Oh, last Tuesday or Wednesday, was it? One or the other. Yeah, so it's gradually evolving. The work continues. What else can I say? Oh, only that I was talking to a solicitor friend. And those of you who know about the my human rights petition against the Barbados government, you'd know why I might be talking to a solicitor. Just the whole question of the moral rights in my work, and how, the Barbados government, my view is they've really violated the integrity of my work. They've really violated me, really, because my work, as I was saying to him, it's an expression of who I am. As my booklet, the word becomes flesh. It's clear, as a writer, as a person who deals in semantics and pragmatics, the semantics and pragmatics of language, meaning and reality. It's really a serious violation of your selfhood when your work is perverted as mine has been perverted, when you've been misrepresented as I've been misrepresented. Carol Pitt talking about me being a hateful person, this kind of nonsense that they're using to cover up. They're trying to cover up their folly. You haven't been wrong to Junior Campbell. You're just a hateful person. You're just a petty person. It's this infantile, it's worse, it's beyond infantilizing of the individual. It's elimination, erasing of the individual. That's what it is. But, hey, I'm still here. Despite the efforts to erase me, to erase my name, to erase the record of my contribution to Barbados's contemporary cultural renaissance, I'm still here. I ain't going nowhere. By God's grace, I'll still be here for some time yet.